We have to create a function that determines whether a string is an isogram or not. And what is an isogram? That's a word that has no repeating letters, consecutive or non-consecutive. And ignore the letter case. Well, here we are, print string. Here we have moose, and that is an isogram. So what we have to do is the following. First of all, we have to iterate to the string. So for letter in string, and print the letter. Here we have the individual letters, but what I want to use is the count function. First of all, we have the string that has the built-in method count, and then we pass in the letter as an argument, and that will show us how many times a letter appears in the string. Let's print aside from the letter let's assign this to a variable x, or occurrences, for example. That is more descriptive. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking for. The only letter that occurs more than one time is the O. And what can we do with this value? Oh, let's do the following. Let's create a counter is equal to 0. And let's add the occurrences, those integers, to the counter. I have an ID. So the counter should be increased by the occurrences. And let's print the counter here. And as you can see, we get 7, but what I want to compare it with is the length of the string. So let's print the length of the string. That would be 5. Yeah. And as you can see, those values differ because one of the letters occurs more than one time. If every character had been unique, the counter would have the same value as the length of the string. And that's what we have to compare. So let's print if the value is equal to the length of the string. It will return false, of course. And that's actually what we're looking for. And here we have a string with unique characters, and that will return true. There we have it. So let's take this and test it out. Same characters may not be the same case. True should equal false. Oh well, what we can do is to convert all the letters in the string to lowercase letters with the lower method. And that should work out. This is really annoying. What's going on here? Content. And there we go. Mission accomplished. Hope this has been useful. If it was, please consider dropping a like. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.